This could be the car for you. The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, heated mirrors, power driver seat, multi-zone AC. You deserve the luxury and security this elegant MKZ has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.